In this video, we are going to talk about how to start a blog to make money from home. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Have you ever considered starting your own blog? Have you ever wondered what it takes to not only establish a blog, but also to grow it successfully over time in order to make money online, or produce a passive income? Millions of people try their hand at blogging, but only a small percentage of them ever make a significant profit. Here's the description of how to start a blog to make money from home. Let's start. Number 10. Monetize your blog. The final step is to make money from your blog. It's possible that you won't want to monetize your site right away. It's a good thing if that describes you. Please consider what I'm saying. Traditional selling methods went something like this. Come up with an idea, develop a product, try to market it, and then declare bankruptcy. That is why blogging is such an excellent way to get money. Your email newsletter, blog comments, and social media outlets are all good ways to create an audience. Number 9. Create an editorial calendar. One of the most common blunders I find is bloggers who only blog when they feel like it. They overlook the fact that new fans expect more content and fail to provide. You'll let a new Netflix series eat up all of the time you could be posting. Whether you start blogging or not, life will continue to throw you curveballs. Examine your calendar on your iPhone, Android, or the one on your refrigerator. Number 8. Write your first masterpiece. WordPress employs a user-friendly editor that is similar to that of your preferred word processor. Your WordPress admin allows you to generate new entries simply from your dashboard. In the title text box, type one of the titles you came up with during your brainstorming session. WordPress will generate a permalink based on the keywords in your title right away. Start typing the body of your article in the large text section, and keep going until you're satisfied with it. You should also include visual elements in your blog postings. Readers are more engaged when images are used, and images can frequently better illustrate topics than words. Number 7. Brainstorm blog topics. Your blog is set up and ready to start from a technical standpoint. The world is your oyster when it comes to subject generation. Personal experiences, passions, achievements, failures, and new learnings will make up the majority of your blog postings. People utilize search queries in the form of questions, such as, what should be written about? What is the purpose of the blog? Is it time to start blogging? So, naturally, you should begin by asking yourself some questions. To come up with blog topic ideas, I employ a set of questions and a systematic procedure. Number 6. Customize and optimize your WordPress blog. A WordPress blog can be customized in an infinite number of ways. We'll limit ourselves to the necessities. Themes are the building blocks of your design and contain all of the essential features. Plugins for WordPress can enhance or extend the functionality of your blog. Plugins can be used to add forums, contact forms, and sliders. For example, while they may appear to be commonplace, they aren't necessarily available by default. The search engine optimization (SEO) sector is worth billions of dollars. Number 5. Design your blog with a WordPress theme. WordPress designs are referred to as themes in the blogging world. Look for something that complements your name, business, and the experience you want readers to have. There are thousands of different themes from which to choose. However, it's all too easy to fall victim to shiny object syndrome and end up with nothing. You can change your theme at any time, so instead of obsessing about finding the perfect option, go with something that works for you right now. Number 4. Install WordPress, your blogging software. Without blogging software, you won't be able to start a blog. Because WordPress is user-friendly, free, and powerful, I use it to power all of my blogs. If you opt to create a blog that isn't on WordPress, you'll find that it is significantly more expensive, as WordPress has a plethora of free plugins that allow you to customize your blog in any manner you want. You can log in and use your first click on the Install WordPress icon after receiving a free domain with your hosting account. Select the Do It Yourself option and then press the Install button. Use the Check Domain button for the third time. You'll have a fully working WordPress blog up and running in under a minute. Number 3. Get web hosting with Bluehost. It's now time to publish your blog. Don't worry if it appears complicated at first. You'll need web hosting, where your blog exists, and a domain name, your blog's address, to get started. The good news is that Bluehost, my preferred web hosting provider, offers both as a bundle. It's also really inexpensive. As a neilpatel.com reader, you also get a fantastic discount. Number 2. Choose a name for your new blog. This is your personal brand. However, don't overthink things. A brand's allure develops over time. Starting with brainstorming is the finest technique to come up with the perfect name. We discussed releasing all of your ideas and determining your specialty in the previous phase. Now it's time to put those concepts into words. So, get a new spreadsheet or a pen and paper ready. Then write down every word that comes to mind for around 10 minutes. Start mixing words and phrases until you find something that strikes out to you. Number 1. Unleash ideas within you. It is not necessary to have a revolutionary idea in order to start a blog. However, your blog should be centered on a single topic. Remember that no concept is truly unique, no matter how wonderful it is. You, on the other hand, have distinct experiences. You have a particular tone to your voice. It will show in your writing if you don't care for the subject. If you don't enjoy what you're writing about, you shouldn't start one. Whatever topic you choose, you must genuinely enjoy it and be naturally curious about it. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.